Movie star.
Oh, it's already moving?
It's moving. I probably shouldn't do that.
It's very rainy.
There's a creek way down there. It's making creek noises. We're getting wet because it's raining on us. But we're having a good time.
Woo. I don't know about this part. I don't think it's going to hold me.
I don't think it is. Oh yeah? Doesn't it cross right there?
Yeah, it crosses and it's going that way.
Well, go ahead. I'm going to take a movie of you going across. Yeah, you could go step on that big boulder in the middle of the stream, can't you? Yeah, I'm just taking a movie of you. Oh, light as a feather on his feet he is. All right, here I go. I gotta watch where I'm stepping. I don't have to worry about stepping on boulders, though, because I have time for the freedom. What do you think, Kiki? Are we still enjoying the water? Are we crazy? No, we're not crazy.
This is the same creek we were just friggin' crossing. Now, a huge wall of water just hit. And it's like 3 times bigger. And so now we get to figure out how we're gonna cross this. It's gonna be a fun time. Oh my god. We're going to find dead bodies in this thing.
Well, we made it back from the flash flood.
It's really freaking cool up here.
Cool. We're up at the top of the ridge over the mountain. Kichi's not going walking anymore. Anna will. There's some pretty views over there. We'll go back over there in a minute. But I just thought it was kind of neat the way this fog is just blowing over the wet mountains.